In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive online payments using Stripe, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, integrating a reliable payment gateway is crucial for smooth transactions. Stripe offers an excellent way to accept payments online, and setting it up is straightforward. Let's dive into the process. First, we need to visit Stripe's official website. Open your web browser and type in stripe.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. You'll notice a sign-in option located at the top right corner. Click on that to proceed. After clicking sign in, you'll be directed to a login page. Here, you'll need to type in your email address and password. Remember, these are your credentials for accessing your Stripe account, so ensure they're kept secure. After entering your details correctly, click on the sign in button to access your account dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the home section of your Stripe dashboard. The home screen is your control center for managing all things related to payments. Next, we'll go to the payments section. This is where you'll create payment links for your customers. In the side menu, select the payment links option. This feature allows you to generate unique links that your customers can use to complete their transactions. Now it's time to add a product. Click on the Add Product button. If you have multiple products or services, you might want to organize them efficiently at this stage. Once you've added a product, you'll see various options to customize its settings according to your needs. After setting up your product details, click on Advanced Options. Here you can further tweak your payment settings to suit specific requirements. Make sure to review each option carefully to ensure everything is aligned with your business objectives. Next, you'll be confirming payment settings by selecting the relevant options as they appear. Once you've finalized your selections, click on the Pay button. This isn't actually a charge, it's just part of setting up the link. Now for the fun part, creating your payment link. Click on Create Link and Stripe will generate a unique URL for your product or service. This link is tailored to your specific setup and is a convenient way for customers to make payments directly. Finally, copy the link provided by Stripe. You can now add this link to your website, email campaigns, or any other digital touchpoint. By doing so, you ensure that your customers can easily access your payment portal and complete their purchases swiftly and securely. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an online payment system using Stripe. In just a few minutes, you've taken significant steps to enhance the payment experience for your customers while ensuring